Today we're diving into IKEA's most affordable and game-changing storage solutions. If you're tired of clutter and it's taking over your space, this storage box is going to make your life so much easier. The dimensions are 22 inches in width, 19 inches in depth, and 7 in height. It's stylish and very practical. It's a solution that is perfect for keeping clothes, bedding, accessories, or seasonal items neatly stored and dust-free. You're going to really like the fact that it has 2 zippers, and this ensures that your belongings stay protected and are within a breathable fabric, which is a huge plus because it helps maintain freshness. You can put it under the bed, in a closet, or on a shelf. It's only $2.49. I don't know about you, but I think organized drawers are sexy, and this box organizer is going to make your entire drawer just stay tidy and organized so that you know where to look for things, and like that everything has a home. So this is designed to keep your essentials neatly sorted. The sleek white storage box measures 7 3/4 times 13.5 times 4 inches. If you're planning to put it inside a drawer, you can also put it on a shelf, or you can put it inside your closet. Whether you're storing accessories, like for example socks, ties, beauty products, or office supplies, or jewelry, the built-in compartments ensure everything stays in place and is easy to find. I love the fabric. It's lightweight and feels very durable. The neutral color makes it super easy to blend in with the color palette that I have in my closet and in my home. And because of its quality, it's made to last, and it maintains a clean, modern look in any space if you plan to display it. And you can grab yours at IKEA. This one was only $4.99. If you want to keep your kitchen drawers neat and organized, this utensil tray is incredible. It has a sleek white design and measures 6 times 19.5 inches. Provides the perfect storage solution. I also love the fact that it's durable and it's super easy to clean and keeps everything in place. So that means that you can find what you're looking for in seconds because it has a home. It has a modern look and it's only $5. This storage box is awesome. It measures 12.5 times 4 times 5.5 inches. It's the perfect size for storing fruits, veggies, condiments, or snacks. It's only $4.99. Maintaining a clean microwave is not that hard if you have the right tool, and that's why I'm going to tell you about this microwave lid. This is 10 inches and it's a gray lid. It's transparent and it's designed to prevent food splatters and allows for steam to escape. And at just 99 cents, it's an affordable way to upgrade your kitchen routine. I have realized